Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the RTVE app. So we'll be getting RTV Play app onto Android TV. So by the end of this tutorial, if you watch it to the end, you have the RTV Play app downloaded and installed to your Android TV device. Let's get into it. So go to the browser of choice. I'm using Google. You will use any browser of choice and just type in RTV. And then you see RTV Play. So type in Play. And you see RTV Play app, that's what you want. So that's the suggestion that would work. And you come and see an RTV Play app from play.google.com. Play.google.com. That's the link that you want to use. The first one, play.google.com. Now you have the installation page. I've just clicked on the install button and that's how you do it. This is going to pen for some time. When it quicks and it's over quicking, you're going to begin the download. So just be patient. If your internet connection is good, it should take you a very short period of time. And when it completes the download, you find the automatic installation process. Google will just install this app and you have it straight up in your app library on your apps. So you could access it from there, or alternatively, when the download is done, you could just click the open button and access the app. So right there you see my app is almost downloaded, and immediately it's downloaded, you'll be installed. And now it's 100% is downloaded and you can see the installation process going on. And that's how you get this app installed to Android TV. And right there, successful. So if you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.